We'll guide you through how to fix the iPhone camera stuck on a black screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be a frustrating problem when your iPhone camera is stuck on a black screen. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try to go and resolve this, and then you'll be able to go and start using the camera again. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. You may go and find this happening while you're using the camera in an app, or it's happening when you're just using the camera app on the iPhone as well. We're going to guide you through different fixes you can try, so you can go and watch this full guide and then you can try them, and hopefully one of them is going to resolve the problem for you, and the camera is then going to go and be working again. So what you need to do is, first of all, just try closing the app and reopening it up, but make sure you fully close it. So let's go and say you were doing this in the camera. What you'd want to do is go and swipe up on it from the bottom and release, and then go and swipe up on it like that. Then just tap on some blank space. Then what you can try doing is opening it up again, whether that's the camera app or the app you're using the camera in, and sometimes doing that, just that simply, will go and solve it. If it does, great. If it doesn't, the next thing we're going to try doing is a forced restart or reset, some people call it. So to go and do this, we need to go and do a button combination. So go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side power button. Now keep this held down. It's going to go and say slide to power off, but just keep it held down. We're only going to go and release it when we go and see the Apple icon. It's going to go black just a short amount of time. And when you go and see the Apple icon release, and it's now going to go and be starting again. And doing this can just go and refresh things, and will hopefully go and resolve the black screen problem. But let's keep waiting, and we can then move on to the next fix if this still doesn't solve it, but hopefully it does. It shouldn't be much longer. Here we are. Swipe up. We can go and unlock it. Now what you can do is try using the camera, whether it's in the camera app or another app like Instagram, WhatsApp, you get the idea, and go and see if it's now working. Now, if it still isn't, we need to go and check our settings. So come into our settings, scroll down first of all, and you want to go and find privacy and security and tap there. Then you want to go and scroll down and go and find camera. Now you want to make sure if the app is listed here that it's switched on. It may go and be switched off, and that means it hasn't got permission to use the camera, which can be why there's a black screen. Make sure it's turned on. Now, if the app is missing from here, what we're going to need to do is come back, scroll up, find the option for general, and you can scroll down, find the option for transfer or reset iPhone. Press reset at the bottom, and you can go and press reset location and privacy. Go and press that there, and you'll need to go and enter in your passcode to confirm it. Then what you can do is, after you complete that, try opening up the app again where you want to use the camera, and try using the camera in the app, and you get prompted to go and give permission. Press allow, and then hopefully the problem will be solved.